Good evening, everyone. I am Abdul Halim P. Achiame from the Board College, PE in Agriculture. Today, we are talking about something fundamental to our society, which is law. Would like to ask a few simple questions to get your perspective on its importance and its different forms. There are no right or wrong to your answer, just simple thoughts.
To start in your own words, what do you think is the main purpose of law and why we need in community?
So, for me, the main purpose of law is to keep people safe and live together peacefully. Then also, maunay laws aron may bala na to what is right and wrong. Then lastly is laws can help us solve problems fairly.
Thank you for your own opinion.
So this is my aunt. So tonight I will interview her. So this is my question for her. Imagine a world without any laws. What would that be like? Do you think society could function without any rules of all?
Kung wala'y law, chaos silang may tabo. People will just do whatever they want without thinking others. Gusto kayo mag-function ang society without law.
So, thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Jacqueline A. Cabalion from Group B, and this is Ms. Lorna Rabi, my interviewee. So for now, we're going to start our interview. So ma'am, some say the law is a tool for justice. What does the word justice mean to you in legal sense? Do you think the law always achieves that?
Dili na ko kay dili magugta ng law ma-achieve nimo. Tas dili sa tanang justice makuha nimo. Kay naman ko uban kay dili nimo makuha ang implementation.
Thank you for your answer.
Do you believe a law can be unjust? If so, what makes a law unjust?
Kada kami gayon, mahimo ang balaod na dili makatarunganon, dili makiangayon. Kung ang nagmugna ang nagpaluyo sa paghimo sa mao nga balaod, adunay daotan nga katuyuan. Kung ang tao nga nagmugna o nagpaluyo sa mao nga paghimo sa balaod, adunay kasuko, adunay kaligutgot, adunay ahit na tumong, mao ang pagdaot sa iyang isig ka tao, ang balaod mahimo nga dili kani makiangayon. Sama sa kasaysayan nga nabasa nato dinha sa pulong sa Ginoo nga mao ang Biblia nga na-record dinha sa Daniel 6.
Let's talk about human law and natural law. How would you explain the difference between a law made by people, like a traffic rule, and a law that's considered universal or based on morality, like the idea that killing is wrong?
For me, human law is what's governed for people, like traffic rule. Then, ang natural law is universal moral. Example, maling ang patay kang tao sa asap. Muna yung pag-control sa pagkarinsan.
Why do you think it's important for human laws to based on at least given good principles of natural law or morality? Important na magbase ang human law sa natural law kay aron patas o morally right ang balaod kay it really align and fair kayo para sa mga tao. On a personal level, how does the law affect your daily life? In a small ways, can you give me an example?
Ang law, nagis itong kinabuhi. For example, road rules, road law. Di nato na masunod, may posibilidad na magsigalan sa tao or makanugasan sa tao.
Okay.
In your opinion, which type of law is more important for a society function? Well, laws that punish wrongdoing like criminal law or laws that resolve disputes between people like civil law and why?
Para na ako, both are important pero mas kinahanglan ng criminal law. Kay kung walay punishment sa wrongdoing, walay kadlok ang mga tao o may mong dangerous ang society.